So, got the cylinder head off the Volvo. So, I've took the exhaust valves out. Sorry about the dangerous way of doing it with a socket. But that one was not. So that's a fix, and I needed one that was adjustable. So one's on order, it's just not come yet. But so I've done it that way. So I'm just feeling what these valves feel like, and now I need to take the stem R seals out. So, took the stem seals out, and the different to other ones. So these are like that. Some are part of the base plate as well. So sometimes the stem oil seal is part of that and you just replace them, but they're not part of this. So what I was unsure about was if the base plate is the shim, so that these are shims, so which is why I've put them under each valve and labelled as they are for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1, so I don't get the exhaust valves mixed up when I come back to reassemble them, and the base plates go back where they are in the cylinder head, so I've not got any issues. So then as I've pulled it apart, that is how it's going back together, just with new stem oil seals being fitted. So all I wanted to know was, so if I grab number 5, which is the outer, because you can't check, so I just want to see if these valves are bent and they go through the guide nice and easy. There's no excessive wear in the guide. So get that mounted there, and then you can have a clearer picture then. Not sure if you can see it, there's a little bit of wear there, but it has got to move up and down the guide nice and free. And the only trouble I'm going to have with this car is I didn't drive it and I didn't start it up, so I don't know if it was lacking power or what. So like that, the valve's in nice and bit of movement there, so you do get clearance between it, just so the oil can go in between that, so there's no, yeah, so that's nice that. While we're here, may as well check them all while we're on camera. Tell you what we do. Turn that round a bit more. So that is that one. Yeah, so I'm just feeling for the guide moving up and the valve moving up and down in the guide, sorry, is that there's no excessive movement in the guide, They're all the same, they all feel the same, they all look the same. So that's what I'm after. Yeah. And that the valve moves up and down in the guide nice and free. It's not, I've got to drag it out. So I'm on the third one. Yeah, so that's nice. That. Ooh. Sorry about my camera work. I'm just trying to. Might be carbon build up on the guide though. Let's test number 2 again. So that's not sticking. Number 5. That's okay. That's okay. So we can go to number 3. I think it's just carbon build-up because it is the exhaust side. Yeah. So if you look on the dark line on the valve stem, that is where a bit of carbon build-up was. So I've just put that on the grinder. So number 3. Come back to that one. I think it's just either that or the valve's bent close to the valve. Might want one exhaust valve, but we'll leave that one because I may end up putting a valve in that. So number 2, yeah, so that's nice that. And even that's got a bit of a black ring, that's not doing it. So I'll bet I probably need an exhaust valve. Yeah. Come on. There we go. Yeah, there's no binding as soon as it's going into its seat, so. Yeah. Okay. So number 3. Which is that one? That's tight in the guide, that. Well, I wonder if So rule out the problem if it's the valve now. Yeah, that's the valve. So I've tried it in another guide and it's tight, and it shouldn't be like that. So if I grab another guide, yeah, so that valve, that number 3. Right, I've just put some paint marker on top of the valve, just indicating that I need that valve. So that's the issue. So now we're going to tear apart the intake side. Right, so I have some stuck valves and that one's alright. Is it? I don't, that one's not. I'd like to really replace all the inlet valves because see that sticking there. Yeah. So that's bent. That's not nice. Probably 4 out of 10. So there's 6 valves that are bad. So you've seen me before using the socket and the extension to break them free, because using the spring compressor was pushing the valve back in. See, there we go. That one's bent. That one's bent. Make a little statue out of them actually. Right, it's there bent, so I'll get some pictures of them for you. So we'll pull off. We can pull off the stem seals. that is number 1. So as I said before, I'm just checking. So that one's okay. One's okay. So I'm just going to check 3, 4 and 5 with number 1 valve, because I know the valve's good, and then that way I can have a feel, see what the word's like on the guides. And number 3, I've just put the valves in the bit of card I have. Trouble is, if you don't take these bases out and you come to clean the cylinder head, so, and you end up losing them bases, means then you've got to buy them again. And if they are part of something to do with the shims, then it's going to be a pain in the bum, that is.